I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play Roblox from two different accounts at the same time. In order to do that, first you have to download Roblox from two different places. One is going to be from the website. So for this, what you need to do is open up your browser and search for Roblox download. Once you search for Roblox download, click on Roblox download and click on download now, and your Roblox will start to download. Once the downloading is complete, go on your downloads folder and install Roblox. Once you install Roblox, the second Roblox you want to install is from your Microsoft Store. So go into your Microsoft Store, and from inside your Microsoft Store, what you want to do is make sure to search for Roblox. So let me load my Microsoft Store up completely, and at the top where it says search, just search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, it's going to show you download Roblox. So click on the Roblox over here. So let's wait for some time. Click on it after it's loaded and click on where it says download. And it's going to show you download or get, but doesn't matter. Click on it to download. So it shows me install, so I will click on install and my Roblox will start to install. Now once you have installed two Roblox, one from your browser, another from your Microsoft Store, you can open two different Roblox on the same PC. So to open the Roblox which you downloaded from browser, it's going to show up over here on your home screen. You can click on it to open that Roblox. And to open the Roblox which you downloaded from your Microsoft Store, you can open up your Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, come over here at the same place, and you're going to see a button called play. Now in my case, nothing is being shown because it's being installing, but after the installation is complete, there's going to be a play button. I can click on play and another Roblox will be opened from this place. And just like this, there are going to be two Robloxes. One from the browser, another from Microsoft Store. And I can log in into two different accounts in two of those Roblox and start playing two Roblox on the same PC. So that's how you guys can play two different accounts of Roblox in the same time. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.